Hey makers, it's Charlotte. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own natural and amazing body washes. Today I'm going to be using one of our amazing pre-made bases. Pre-made bases are easy to use and a great way when you're getting started formulating your own body and bath products. Today we'll only need a few ingredients and the outcome will be an incredibly moisturizing, natural, and silky milky body wash. Our hemp seed pre-made body wash contains coconut, cocoa butter, and hemp seed oil. It makes it ultra moisturizing on your skin and won't leave you feeling dried out. Instead, you'll come out of the shower feeling amazing. I'm also going to be using an amazing fragrance that is phthalate-free and cruelty-free, like all of our fragrances. This one is Milky Coconut and Suntan Lotion. It basically smells like a really sexy, amazing sunscreen. Who doesn't want to smell like that? So without further ado, let's get started. Whenever you're making bath and body products, you always want your supplies to be as clean and bacteria-free as possible. Be sure to wash them in a 5% bleach solution diluted with water before you begin making. If you're using a stick blender or any other products that require that may splash in your face rather, then you may want to wear goggles. Today, I'm just mixing 2 ingredients together, so I won't be wearing goggles, but I will be wearing my gloves to keep things as clean as possible. So first, turn on your scale, and I'm going to be using our glass pouring pitcher today to mix my ingredients. As I said, we'll just be using 2 ingredients today, so this is a fairly simple recipe. I'm going to tare my scale, and that will remove the weight of my glass pouring pitcher and bring the weight back to 0. Now I'm also going to be using our frosted lotion bottle with this gorgeous bamboo top on it. It's a very natural and chic look, and this holds a total of 5 ounces. So I'm going to be using a 1% fragrance load in this. Typically when you're making a hand wash, a body cleanser, you're going to use 1 to 2% fragrance load. So that means I'll be pouring 4.9 ounces of this lovely base here. And I will simply be adding 0.1 ounces of my fragrance oil, mixing them together. And from there, I will have an incredible body wash. We also carry a variety of other bases that you can utilize to obtain a variety of benefits depending on what you're specifically looking for your skin type. I'm going to be using a pipette dropper today to take the fragrance oil out of this bottle. Pipette droppers are a really easy way to measure fragrance or other liquids when you're only needing a small amount of them. So today, because I just need 0.1 ounces, I'm going to use my pipette dropper. Now I'm just going to simply thoroughly mix these ingredients together with my spatula. They do not need to be warmed. And once they are completely mixed, I'm going to pour them into my lotion bottle and my product will be ready to go. Okay, and we're done. The easiest way to pour your product into a bottle is going to be utilizing our stainless steel funnel set. So this comes with 3 different funnels with a variety of spout sizes, so you can choose the one that works best for your specific bottle. Because the body wash base is pretty viscous, have a light hand as you're pouring it in. It will take a second to funnel through the spout and into your bottle. Okay, now simply remove your stainless steel funnel set. Careful not to drip. And place your top on, and you have just made an incredibly moisturizing, all-natural body wash. If you plan to make a hand wash, I typically suggest using a lighter fragrance load than a body wash or a shower cleanser. And now you can apply a label, and this product is ready for personal use or for sale if you have a maker business. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and learning how to make your own body wash, cleanser, or hand wash. Leave us a comment below and let us know if you have any questions and what else you'd like to learn about. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!